Do you think your back does not look good enough to put on backless dresses? Have you noticed pouches of fats at the sides of your back when you put on something skimpy, like the swimsuit? Love handles are the layer of side fat spilling over the waistline of pants. The fat spillage is also known as muffin top or spare tire, taking its name from its resemblance. When you are trying to lose the back fat, you have to keep in mind that while some exercises can be more effective to tone up your back, as a whole you have to lose weight. To get rid of love handles, here are 6 exercises that can help to lose side fat fast and safe at your home. So before we start, I request you to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of new tips and tricks to lose weight fast. So the first exercise is push-ups. Push-ups work your abs as well as your back muscles. They can be most effective in losing the fats at the sides of back quickly. However, push-ups primarily focus on the upper part of the back. Lie on the floor on your stomach and place your hands beside your shoulder. Bring your feet together and place the toes firmly on the floor. Now push your body up with your hands, hold the highest position for a moment or two and then lower your body down but do not touch the floor. You need to start with at least 8 sets of 3 repetitions and then increase as you go. Second is pull-ups. Bar hanging might not be easy to start with, but if you are able to practice it properly, losing back and side fats is only a matter of time. Hanging from the rod with your hands straight and pulling your body up and then down works out the back muscles and the muscles of the arms really well, giving you quick muscle toning benefits. You do not need to perform a lot of pull-ups to start with, but increase the number as you go. Third is side fly. Side fly with 2 dumbbells in hands can be most effective to get rid of the back and side fats. Stand straight on the floor with your feet shoulder apart holding 1 dumbbell in each of the hands. Now bend your upper body from the waist and bring it in a somehow parallel position with the floor without bending your knees. At the starting, your hands with dumbbells should be together and hung towards the floor. Now lift your hands to their sides, extending them fully to reach a parallel line with your shoulder. Once you reach the maximum position, hold it for a few moments and then take your hands back slowly to the starting position. You need to do 10 sets of 3 reps to start with for the best results. Fourth is dumbbell row. Use an exercise table to do this exercise. Place your left leg on the table bent from the knee and your left hand before your knee to lower your upper body and bring it to a parallel position with the table. The dumbbell should be in your other hand. Now you need to extend the hand with the dumbbell fully towards the floor and then trace back. Do it for at least 10 times for a single hand and then change sides. You need to do at least 4 sets of 5 reps. Fifth is dumbbell side bend. To lose weight from the sides of your back, dumbbell side bends can be another effective yet easy exercise. Take 1 dumbbell in your right hand and stand on the floor with your spine erect and feet shoulder apart. Place your left hand on your waist and bend your upper body to the right side, while extending your right hand with the dumbbell fully towards the floor. Your body should not bend from the waist. Once you reach the maximum side bent position, hold it for a few moments and then trace back. Repeat for 12 to 15 times and then start with the other hand. Do at least 6 sets of 5 reps. And now the last 6th exercise is rowing machine. If you have access to a rowing machine, then you should not miss the chance of using this system for toning up your back. Rowing machines are one of the most effective systems that can tone up your back muscles and can help you to get rid of the back and side fats. You should spend at least 15 minutes on the machine at a stretch to get the best results. So these are our top 6 most recommended exercises to lose side fat. Perform each exercise on a daily basis for quick results. Remember, Removing the side fat is quite a challenge and requires a lot of perseverance to achieve it. These exercises serve as a supportive routine to get rid of love handles, but in addition to being consistent with your practice. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel to get latest tips to lose weight like this. Thanks for watching.